I thought I can see a game. The guys, the new guys, you can see the Unity sometimes take a long time because the loading packages need to import. It will take some time. Then my students who already know this one, please open the Shinder 3D the scene and please import the empty room scene. Okay, room environment. You can load a room environment. Okay. Room environment. Yeah. From the package. Okay. Unity package. Okay. From the Oculus package. Okay. Inside have models, environment, room environment. You can import. Okay. You guys not there. You guys already there. Open the scene.
Huh?
Add the Oculus. No, you need to add the, can't remember, Windows and my assets, asset package manager and here my asset, you can find the Oculus integration. Need to add the Oculus package. Okay. Now guys in here. Okay. This is just a simple Unity scene inside. Okay. We are not going to use this Unity camera. I told you this camera we are not going to use. Okay. We will add something different. But the important thing is here package manager. As usual, package manager we need to add inside the package because this login already at this package. Okay. If you are not logging with your Unity account, okay, you cannot refresh your assets. Inside here, Oculus integration, this one, Oculus integration. Okay, this is the 46th version. Okay, 46th version. Okay, Oculus integration. Because I already log in and download this one. Okay, Oculus integration, this one. Okay, where can you find in the your Unity Asset Store? Okay, Unity Asset Store. Inside the Unity Asset Store, you can find this one. Oculus integration. This one. Okay, Oculus. You better log in your account. Okay. This one. I think this is it. No, I need the Nani. Nani account is better. Okay. Wait. We have an engineer here.
就是那个 V 大的 V 大的。
Y ใหญ่
应该要不 可是人家电脑太好太高。对，就还是开打电还是不会的。你可以到时候看见1400还是。
Okay, guys, you can log into your Unity assets because I earlier downloaded this one. That's why I can find my assets. I can find Oculus integration. Okay, this is Oculus integration. If you're first time to use it, you better to go to your assets store. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah, this one already download. Okay, this one Oculus integration SDK. Okay, this one is the our power. Yeah, this one is the guys we are using. This okay, Oculus integration. This is the everything we are going to work with. This is the package. Okay, this one you can go to here download also you can do. Then this one has a how to use the Unity setup. Okay, later you can paste this through into the Facebook group. Okay, this is setup how to set up inside you can have. But I'm going to remind again. Okay, this one need to import. Okay, this package need to import. After importing this package, you can find the Unity pull down menu here, and then Unity the Oculus pull down menu here, and also you can find the assets folder Oculus here. Do you need translation? Yeah. Yeah. No.
就是大家先去那几个对，然后去搜寻 Oculus 的，最好是就是建一个自己的账号登录，然后在这边就是那个，对啊。
对啊。Use cube. This is graphical interactable one. Cube was one. This one. Yeah.
在那个就是去搜寻 Oculus
After importing, then you can find in here, then import.
然后你会找到 Oculus for Facebook 那一个，然后你就可以进到一个然后对，你就可以就是
Import. Just import, okay. Everyone know import. Everyone know import, then just import. Chang, don't wait. Go ahead. Sorry. This one is you have yes because they have opening X and new plugin. This one is only thing is don't delete the say that and this one is don't do okay, when you import the plugin, he will tell you this message OBR plugin. OBR plugin means guys, hello. Here OBR plugin means this camera. Okay, OBR plugin means we can use this camera and also controllers. Okay, controllers. That's a plugin. But the existing package, he said he has something a bit newer version. Okay, a bit higher version. Higher version. Then you can say okay. Okay, this one. Say okay. And then this package use the OpenXR. He used this package OpenXR. Then you can say okay. You see. then he will ask activate, okay. And then because this is a newer version 1.78, then he asks to restart. This one is very, very important. Integration SDK. Sometimes he has to update some existing data. Okay, existing data you can see in the screen. Don't delete it, because sometimes still data struggling library to complete. You use it. Don't ask me again. Okay. This one is a package cleanup was not run. Okay. Because package cleanup means that earlier source, new source. Okay. After updating new source, he's trying to kill the old packages. And first, don't let it do that. Maybe Steve can tell you.
刚刚那个有一个项目说，你要不要把你，就是说你现在更新了最新的，那你要把旧的给砍掉，千万要写不要哦，就是不要给它砍掉，要不然你那个就是建出来就不会动。
Yeah, that still have some problem. If you clean up, you lose some connection. Okay, they will give error. And this one is okay. This is for sound partializer. Partializer for the 3D sound inside the Unity environment. He said he has the update one. You can update this, no problem.
然后其他就是更新，然后跟重开的。
This one he has to update. Okay. Now everything done. Okay. Wait a moment. After everything done, he will restart the Unity. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, guys, you see the screen. Are we screening this one? Streaming? Yeah. Okay. Twitch streaming. Sorry. Okay. And this one is very easy things. I didn't do anything. Okay, I didn't do anything. I just only import the package. Okay.
我们现在只是开一个新的3D 的专案，然后把那个 Oculus 的那个对那个SDK 把它载进来，就这样而已。只是说中间有一些选项要注意去选。
After package is correctly installed, you can find this one. Oculus. If a package is correctly imported, you can find this folder menu. Okay, Oculus. And also this folder in the asset, Oculus. Okay, that's the sign you correctly download. Okay.
有成功的上面就有那个 Oculus 的。的工具列，然后下面有 Oculus 的那个专案里面。
Okay, and you can see the now is ready. Okay, but the issue is right now. I need to set up some build settings. Okay, build settings.
现在有些设定要开始会比较，就是为了把它建出来的设定。
可以啊，可以。
Yes.
Yes，可以。Yes, open EXE 啊 ，open X 啊，可以。不是。And then.
完全没有选题啊，已经找。
This is the critical one. Don't update.
你应该是
Don't ask me again.
因为我已经有下。
This one is the one you can share with a friend. This is a message you need to be careful. Then this one, okay. Then he say this one okay because this is for the sound partialization plugin. Okay, you can see very easy.
那要载就载1号。
一定要用那个1号的。
You don't have to do that.
你懂了？花一次 USB hub， 花一次 USB， 花一次。
Okay, because they have many different versions. Sometimes you can get the old version. I open in the new version. Then after updating, I can go back to the old source code. Then conflict. That's why when we loading in Unity Hub, inside the Unity Hub we have a package, this one. Then we select the thing.
然后你的专案可能每一个是用不同的版本，
Because for example,
那就全部把你管理在一起。这有你它的功能，好不好？
okay,
要下载要什么都从那里去装。
and also then we have a Windows.
那你
This
的
one
跟
is
抓
Android.
跟抓也要装起来。
Yeah, that one.
跟抓是
My dear students, I really forgot one thing to tell you. This one, okay. Inside the Unity Hub, okay. Inside the Unity Hub, this is a Unity package. This one is very important. Android. Okay, Android. Here, if you don't have Android, you just add the iOS. You can use, but this device is not iOS. Okay, Quest is work with Android. Quest is work with Android. Okay, then you need to add the Android package in here. You go to click in the package, then you can click in the Android. Okay, I already added Android. Can you tell me to the others? Because normally if you don't select, you don't do automatically. Checking your PC.
If we don't install it, we can use Outlook.
Can't use. Okay. Type here because this one. Unity Hub.
You have install it.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one. And just use.
Tell me. He's lucky. This story is lucky. Okay, someone. If you don't have, then you put this one, Shinder. Okay, Shinder, and then click inside here Android. Okay, Android. You don't need this one. This take time.
Using iPhone.
Yes, if you do the AI, yeah, Oculus is Android.
Yeah, Outlook is Android.
Oculus is Android, but for iOS, maybe next year, Apple have the Apple set. Okay. And this year. I hope. Maybe.
有时都会开网页，然后去把那个载下来。而且所以都不会。
这好像是很评价的。每个人。
Everyone done? Okay, ma? How ma? Hi, okay. This is very important. Now, everyone, I hope you have a Oculus pull down and also Oculus folder. Oculus folder. Okay, yo. Then next challenge is a field setting.
然后现在是 DOD setting 这边要注意听了。
And this one is Android. If you don't install the Android, you don't have this one. Okay? After selecting this one, you have to switch the platform to go to Android. It will take one minute, 1 minute. Okay, switch it. Yeah. You already done switching? Is it done? Okay. Yeah, you already switched. Okay. This is me. This is me. Yeah. I hope this one is easy for you.
你用我的账号。
这是一样的。
These settings only first time, okay? Only first time. I mean, then you realize. Then afterwards, always you have to do.
就第一次就是这样做，以后你们就照这个方法做。
I know you feel you will normally first time you feel very hard, so many you feel it's normal. Even first time when I was reading the settings also similar. Okay, they recently changed the thing.
所以你第一次看这个设定，一定会觉得很复杂，而且每期间它就会改变，所以就是这部分是比较复杂的，这个过了以后就很好用。
After I don't know switching, sometimes switching take a long time. Okay, this Yoma, still take time. Yeah.
意思就是你要吃后然后好了开始，然后再来。
免费的啊，
因为我刚刚有。
Okay, and now guys, you have this view because now I already switched to the Android mode. Okay.
要把它 switch 到
Okay, now it's in Android. Okay. Hello, Kanchadi. You are now in Android. Okay. Android mode. Next is you need to player settings. Player settings. Inside the player settings, a very important thing is this is not important. This is not very important, but you can add a name, okay? Not a default like maybe ENNUA, okay? Company, okay? And but this one is very important. Color space. I hope you guys you have a color space gamma, okay? But this device linear color space. Linear color space. This device.
就是它更接使用伽马，就是它会更接近看到的颜色。
Yeah, therefore you should change this one to linear. Okay? Linear. And this one, photographic API, you tick out this one. Okay? Photographic API you don't need, okay? And we are working with this one. I think if this is a Vulkan, this one we don't use normally. We are actually working with OpenGL 3. Okay? Graphics mode is OpenGL 3. This one don't make autographic API, don't tick this one.
不需要用到
Autographic API.
所以就可以把那个打勾关掉，然后使用 OpenGL。
This ES means the mobile. Yeah. Mobile. And then this one, if you don't need, you can remove it. But normally like this, I down to here because this have file. Okay. And then next point is a very important point is in here. Android, the API level is 29. Okay, 29. Up. From 20 up. Okay, that is a minimalistic. The requirement is API level 29. Okay, 29. And the highest, okay. Then this one is the highest automatically, no problem. This one is the most important thing in here because this one is working with the the ARM64 architecture. Okay, ARM64 architecture. you should have to activate this 64. That's why we need to IL to CPP. Other people already know. You guys don't need to wait. You guys go quickly. Okay, don't wait. And then go to the next 2.1 is okay. And then go to here. Click. Now it's activated. Okay. Now ARM64 architecture is activated.
我们需要的是 ARM 60那个，所以就把 V7 那个3就打勾定格，不要它，所以就把那个
script backend. Backend have mono and also IL to CPP. Okay. 可以吗？ This is the Chroma OS, okay, and x84. Yes, like Android app, exactly. This is Android app. Okay, then others all this moment is okay. Then go to quality. Quality I explained earlier. Okay, this one we need to set, but the after quality one I can touch later. Okay, then next we need to go to the XR plugin management. This one is important. Okay, what did I do? First is the player settings. Let me repeat again. Okay, player Android mark need to be okay. You can understand. Then this one is a linear color space. Don't use orthographic API. Just use OpenGL ES3. And then next important thing is select the minimum level of API. This is 20, Android 10. That means API level 29. And then chip architecture is a target architecture is 64. Okay. To activate the 64, you should change this one to mono to IL to CPP. And then .NET standard 2.1 is preferable. Even this one is no problem. This one is better. Okay. Then our channel next part is this tab, OpenXR management, and you can install this. This would take some time. People who done this one, go forward. Okay. No, they can do that because how many days we did it. This one he asking again ask the same question to asset cleaning. Okay, asset cleaning. Please don't clean the asset. Okay, don't ask me again. Then after installing this one, you can see now you find that this one you can see the Oculus like this. Okay, and you have to tick this one. Okay, after installing this, okay, after installing this Android, you need to tick Oculus. Then it will list here. Yes, now you see you have Oculus here. Earlier you don't have Oculus. In case you are this one. And in case you are compiling in your PC mode, if you are compiling or building in the PC mode, you should have to activate this. That's a Unity. Now you can see that we have Oculus here. Okay, then this is the PC mode. This is the what is it? Android. Both need to tick the Oculus enable. Okay, this and this. Then we can go back to quality. Karima, hello. Kari. Okay. Then select the Oculus. You can see that Quest target device is a Quest or Quest 2. Both you can active. Hello. Yeah, this one is a target device. Quest and Quest 2 you can do here. If you cannot find this one without downloading, okay, then this one need to tick, and then PC mode also better to tick. Then if you after tick you can find this one here. Then select this. You put a multi-view this one, okay, multi-view. And the PC mode also have single pass instance. Keep as default, no problem. Okay, keep default. These are keep default. Accept that keep default. Okay. Yeah. Keep default. And then you need to go to the quality. Quality. Don't. After activating this one. After activating Oculus, you need to go to the quality. Okay. First, I need to activate this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, then this one is quality. You go to the quality. Yes. And here, pixel light count. Pixel light count need to be 1. Okay, pixel light count to be 1. Pixel light normally equal to 4. That means one light have 4 pixels. 4 pixels. One light ray. It can have 4. That means resolution is low. Yeah. Then we can make this one is 1. This one is 1. And anti-aliasing you can make 4 times sampling. If you, I think this is very good, but better to use a 4 times multi-sampling. Okay, that's it. I think that's the basic stuff. Times multi-sampling.
因为把容量会太大，所以用词就好了。
好 ，OK， done。
他以前都是授权，就是 get the free person。
对啊。
对，但是我点进去就没反应。
然后你就把它关掉，再给打开。
可是。
这个全部关掉的，
因为它还是
对，关掉，关掉，
这也要关掉，
对，全部关掉这个。那你的网络点，他从网络去验证回来，然后才会让你。
Okay. Now development environment is set up.
这就是设定。
This is still downloading.
Wi-Fi
好 Yeah, because you need to change the IC IL to CPP. That's this one. Select. Maybe pair together. Pair here. Then follow together. Then later we set up here. You know, first time they also did this whole procedure.
我连登录都登录不了，
Time.
哭了。
Okay.
为什么我 I cannot log in first?
Why?
I don't know.
Question?
I don't have the license.
The same problem last time we had.
She's facing same problem like the Hattori-san did.
哇，
Black screen
对
same.
啊，我整个连登录都没有。
Yeah, this is a problem last time. The Japanese one came. Same. This happened when conflict the license inputs.
手一叫前去的 computer。
我已经换3台。
I hope. Okay.
OK， 还得换电脑。
That's it. Done. Now is time for another headset and controllers. Okay, this is read how to add. That's a challenge. Okay. Karima, everyone knows it done. Okay. Then quick from the player settings. Close the player settings right now. Close it. Okay. How to back door? Okay. Listen.
你没有切换，你都是跑 PC 版。 我只用过 USB。那叫我大表，你到底来这个？然后大表都一样。
Both the same. They didn't download the Android package. Huh? Okay. Yoma. Yoma. Okay. Okay. See now. I'm going to add the next. Okay. Now important thing is inside. Okay. We need to find the prefab. Okay, prefab already prefab headset. Okay, controllers. Okay, controllers, hands, all together. They made the package. Okay, the package we can find inside. I can't say package exactly. It's a kind of like a rig. Okay, inside the Oculus. Hello, everyone follow. Contrary. There's a follow here. Inside you can find Oculus interaction. Okay. Inside this one, you can find like a runtime. Okay. Runtime we have prefab. This is normally you have to do by yourself. This is for headset. This is for the controller hand. This is for the hand. If you do separately, you have to drag and drop into here. But it is bit annoying for beginner. Okay. Then we have a rig already designed inside this VR. Inside of this VR, and we have a prefab. Prefab. This one you can find that the sample prefab. I'm sorry, samples prefab. This one, okay. Run inside here, no runtime. Okay, you can find the inside the sample folder, Oculus asset folder. Okay, you can find this runtime. Okay, inside the sample, not a VR. I'm sorry. Okay, VR also you can find. Okay, inside also you have, but the for the beginning, for a starting point, at the starting point, you better use the easy one. Okay, then you go to the sample folder. Inside you can find a prefab. Then you have here Oculus interaction sample rig. This one. Okay, this one. You can drag and drop into here. Okay. Inside have these parameters. This is a camera. OVR camera rig. But also we have another camera, Unity. This one we don't need anymore. Okay, you can just delete it. Because we have OVR camera right here. Okay, this is the this one camera headset. Okay, this is this. Okay, tracking all things inside. Don't worry. This one is an input OVR, hands, head mounted display. This is head mounted display. Okay, and the controllers, hands. Okay, together. Understand? Any problem?
就是先从 Ocular 那个资料夹里面去找到
不是 interaction samples interaction
的资料夹里面找到 interaction， 然后里面
sample， 然后 sample。在这个框架里面再找到 prefab。OK。OK。
这要比那个
可以吗？
还在录的时候，你在录吗？你在录吗？然后对着你。
那报名都那如果真的是很以为
没事吧？就是在。
OK。可以吗？ You drag and drop 的。
没有啊，我刚刚是刚刚有个单号 Oculus， 结果他跟我说反正我要单号2020，然后刚好在单号
sample camera we don't need anymore. Yeah. Okay. 好。Okay. Inside the OVR camera, we can go to the inspector. Okay, inside the inspector, you can check the double set, some settings. This one is flow level. What is this? Because normally Oculus set up the flow level and also area. When we are loading the Oculus, starting Oculus, he asks to define the flow, asks to make the area, interacting area. Okay? If you set up the flow level, your scene match with the device setting. Device settings, when we are open the device, we ask the device to set the flows and also set the interacting area, interactable area. Okay. You can change this one. If you put eye level, what will happen? You will be on the floor. Okay. If you start, you will be on the floor. Therefore, eye level, stage, there are few options, but you have to double confirm. inspect the inside, you have to check this one flow the flow level. What is the flow level? I explained already. Maybe the Steve can say.
就那个地面呢，就是我们在设定那个的时候，我们要去设定我们地面在哪里，所以它这个就是以我们地面为主，对，就是这样子设定。
It's similar like wire. Have you ever used a wire? Wire.
外都是 HTC 的，也是有地面。
You think? Because wire was here for a long time. What did you do? Because wire installed computer here.
外一直在这里，大家可以去玩玩
And
看。
this play Beat Saber? No?
有玩过游戏吗？各位互动媒体的学生，
You don't need these students.
请学一下 VR。
对，它有开。啊，对呀，你把那个里面跟中文乱掉。你把我们预设场景会有一个里面你是不是用之前的场景？那个新建？那你就在新建一个场景，你直接新建一个场景，应该是可以。然后有看到，他看就把那个东西把它改成对吧？然后直接把它拖上去。不是他的另外的一个。是他责任圈太不见了。对啊，纯空白。在那个他们设计的时候，他是这样的设计。你要点那个。
当然可以了。
我也不知道为什么，我就放着一下，然后
上次就是一直进不去，然后而且登录账号就是换别人账号还是来不及。
对啊，超怪，然后就放一下就可以了，好怪哦，什么东西？
还是跟他们 server 有关，就是我觉得他们就很想要防止盗版之类的。
哦，可是
所以你要让大家好用，你再去防盗版，大家都觉得不好用。
没事没事。
你应该是这种，他把它当成那个睡觉的节奏。
你说太早了。
你想到你要
之前玩 VR 不是都还在原地待着？哇！
在家里开发，你要怎么连上去？
就是他下午在玩 VR 的时候，他不知道自己就是在原地待着。大会。哦，要我大会才有。所以他就是下载的时候，声音多简单，然后。
那边的角色。
但是呢，剧情的讲究。那边要很
就是要串在一起，然后要有妈呀，这个现在叫换力，就是你从今天开始。
Okay, okay. What you need to confirm is, the tracking origin type is a flow level, and also here, this one keep like a rift because it support for the rift for the color. Okay, even if you wanna, you can change into the Adobe or this stuff, but unfortunately, you have to check it in the Android. It's only support for the linear. Okay. Yeah, this one keep as a same. And this one is you need to pick, like if you are going to use your controller and hand together, you should have to use the controller and hand. If you only activated controller, then only you can use the Quest controller, okay? But you need to use the hand, you need to use the controller and hand. Okay now? Okay, that's it. Okay? Then the setting is there. Now we need to find about the controllers. Okay, inside the interaction, okay, runtime, prefab, okay, grab, okay. This one is a controller grabbable interactor. Okay. Then you can drop it here. Okay. But this one is a left. You better to rename this one left. Okay. Okay, this one, okay. Drag and drop into the right controller. Okay, then rename this one to the right. Okay, now?
Drag to right control.
Yeah. Yeah, right hand, left hand. But the issue is here, this is a controller grabbable left. You need to define this one. Okay. This is a left controller. You can drag and drop into here. That means the script already connected with this is the left hand. Okay. See. This is here only. Okay, don't do anything here, no problem. Just only define the controller, what controller. Because this is just we don't define as a left or right. This is a controller interactable. Okay, controller interactable, we drop into both.
Oh.
And then we drop into here. Then second one is a right one also. Then right controller drop into here.
Oh.
This one drop into here. This is a left one. Okay, then controller is farther to here. And this is another one. You can drag and drop into here. Okay. Okay. Practice. Okay. Now you can see each side here. See, hand also. Their headset you can find. Okay. Fine. Yeah, don't move them. Don't move because this you can keep it there. This one. See?
为什么你的 hierarchy
Okay, okay. Done? Done? No?
达到它的那个手法控制器跟热控制器这样，
control is higher than the
对，它才会在那个。
hierarchy.
This is a different thing.
Different thing.
Yeah. We are still working with the controller.
Yeah.
Then this one you draw.
它是有重新理
Okay. No. Because this is a left hand controller. This is the controller that will interact. You need to, because this is not standard.
对，
So I
不是
need to
rename
be
it.
at.
大家可以看一下这个。
I like the question is the hierarchy, the text is so
Yes. Yeah, because the device facilitates right.
so this is right. Correct.
Capital L.
Oh,
Now, this only names different. Inside the exactly same. Okay? Here, but we need to say who is going to control this script. That is one. This one is this script value. Who is going to control this right control. Okay. 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 I hope you already done.
Yes.
You already did. Okay. Okay. Hey, ma. Now I need to add a scene inside. Okay. Any scene, because this is empty, nothing inside. Okay. But I'm going to use a sample scene. You can find the sample scene inside maybe where is sample? Okay, inside the sample. Models. Models. Here, object. Under the object, we have some few things you can find. Room. Okay, inside the room, or maybe this one inside the sample room environment, small room environment. Inside here, sorry, room environment, this one, room. Okay, object environment, okay, and room. Okay, room environment, drag and drop into here. Because he asking some, well, to import something, because this sample inside have some kind of text map, okay, text measures. Then asking to import those example. even if you, now you can see, guys, this is the scene. Okay. Okay, now I don't want to do anything. I'm going to now build and see this environment, okay? Because we have a camera inside, okay? And also we have a controllers, okay? Kaina,
Okay.
don't have any interactables. I forgot to tell you this one, okay? This is we call gizmos, okay? Gizmo. The gizmo is a kind of icon. Gizmo icon, 3D icon, you can download like this. Okay, that's what we call gizmo icon. If you take out this one, you can toggle it. You can toggle it. Okay. So it's normally like this. If you activate like this, okay, gizmo very big. See, it's just for visualizing purpose. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now you can save the scene. Okay. Now I am going to build this one. And but you remember inside of my settings, I should connect my Oculus Quest. Okay, using the link cable. Okay, you can use Oculus provided short cable, or you can buy this one by Quad. Okay, you can buy yourself. Okay, and then after making. Okay, this is sample scene. You can add to the scene. See, sample scene. You can add to the open scene. Okay, here. If you don't want it, you can remove it. If you have a different scene here, another scene. When you are going to build it, another scene, you can add into here. Okay, no problem. Then we can select the Oculus Quest 2, and then it shows the hardware ID. Okay, hardware ID. You can see. The same hardware ID here, active, okay, is already connected. Then here device, okay, this is the device, and the same device already connected. If you add this OVR metric information, then it can calculate some of your information. It's like a screen time in Facebook, like a iOS screen time. Screen time like this, you can find metric information. Okay. Right now, build and run. Okay. Then he asking, APK means like a exe file for the Android. You can tell others. Okay, hand grab by this.
你有装过安卓的它就像 Windows 下面 exe 执行档，你只要按规则，然后选好就可以。对啊，就是你只要按这个构建，盖好。
之后就可以做。
对，
它就是变成执行。
它现在在编译。就是写程式的概念。
这些人就不用这边就是把那个它会输出成一个很像游戏。
对，它就是 APK， 因为它不有系统。
So this. The first time it will take time.
But we don't have.
Yeah, we have some. You can later.
We can only produce APK.
Yeah, APK. Yeah. The initial you can use one of.
它也可以单独执行，它里面有处理器。
它只处理出来。
对，它里面是一个 Android OS。
I think Immerse Space have more Oculus Space you buy. You try later. Go back to the Immerse Space. You can use Immerse Space as well.
果你有选择设备的话，它就按照这个设备的系统编码。如果你没有选择的话，你就让它去设置。
They don't know where are they. There was a king who's doing board. I was in touch with him. I saw it.
他直接登录，
他说到外面，他说到外面。这个是，这是外面。
I'm going to pass this one.
那就可以播放出来。你这边没有，他这边没有。
Now, guys,
嗨，大家可以看到直播的画面。我是这边的画面。
you can see. You can find. This is old one. I'm sorry. This is old scene. Old one. This is old scene. Okay, wait a moment. This is old one last time. I put sorry. Last time. Maybe wait a moment. You can see until new one finishes. New one is still compiling. Okay, wait a moment. This is old one. This is the, you can see this circle. There is a floor level, okay? That's what I said earlier. This is eye level. Okay? And the bottom, the blue line. Can you see the blue circle? Hello, students. Because I can use this hand, I use the hand grabbable enable. Okay, but we didn't still enable the hand grabbable for our the current sample. This one old sample, it's used the hand as well as controller. You know. Okay, that's why we can use a controller. Okay, and also you can use our hand. Yeah, not yet. Wait a moment. Similar, because same scene, but we don't have object. Okay, see guys. Hello, can you see?
Yeah.
See that? I have but nothing grab. Okay.
大家看一下那个直播的画面，
Because OBR camera rig means this headset and this controllers. Okay, nothing to And if I select this one, see buttons, button activated. Can you see? Yes. If you push, if you hold this one, color change. Okay. Activated. That's why we use OBR camera rig. Okay. How about others? Newcomers. Hello guys.
他就说那个 OBR 就是那个镜头，然后他看到就是 VR 里面的东西，还有可以用那个controller，所以现在它是可以按，但是没有东西在里面，所以它没有互动。
对。
你说现在那个
对。
因为我们刚才有设计。
好。
你是那个谁贴的？
Sorry.
谁贴的？
啊？啊，这个 OK。
Oh, sorry.
看一下我的
运气
那我是正常的。你刚刚有装吗？他有修复吗？没有，他有装到。
不是。
这样，我知道。不确定。
什么事？等会儿我终于登录，可怜。啊，好可爱哦。你会很冷？不会。
If you put that one ray, 1 pixel is the resolution.
他到时候就做好，就是他会自动做成这个。然后他就在说，
把明天的小事，把明天互动上完再上一次。
Sorry，腿太开。
可以往前看。
应该不会先关你的。
不用了，还在试那个。
哦，对，那个。哦，我知道。是这里吗？你有看到旁边吗？
没有看到。
可是我现在只有看到一个场景，然后里面有我的马桶是这样。
对，现在
就是最基本。
先交给然后按，你是完成点是什么？
这就是成功。那你都交到哪里？
我们家要有物体，然后东西会掉。
东西会掉。
就是开头中。
哦，对。对啊，你没有带对位置，你要带到他前面。你没有交那个。
突然，有发现，如果到期末发现，但是我可以借你，没有自己。
你们是用控制器抓还是？
两个都有，因为你这样子，那不了跟我说，在另外设定。
OK。
应该不会老师超。
好，可以吗？Now we are going to add something to here. Okay. 有吗？Hello. Hi. Hello. I'm continuing. Here, in the samples here, inside samples, prefab. Okay, inside a prefab, I use this OVR, Oculus Integration Sample Reader. That's why we have this, this camera and also this hand controllers, headset. We already compile and check them. They are working. But a hand still we need to add later, okay, some information. Okay, but let's see. We have to add a one-off object into the scene inside. Very easy one we can find inside here. The runtime in the prefab and the grab. Inside we have the grabbable interactable. This one also prefab. Prefab means this one is just a simple cube scaled into 0.1, 0.1 height and the width and the depth, the scale down to the 0.1. This is this guy. Okay, inside except this object. Okay, if you go to here, right click, and then you can make like a cube. You can also make this kind of one. Okay, no problem. But you just cube this. Okay, this is the cube inside. You can find the cube. Handa, very big. See, and then this one you can make like 0.1. Okay, 0.1. Okay, 0.1. This is a cube. Okay. This cube, okay, this cube and this interactable is different. Okay, this one don't have any, script. Only box collider. Only this one. This is a normal game object. Okay, normal game object. But this one inside, except the rigid body, except the inspector detail, inside have added the grabbable interactive. Okay? Understand? You didn't understand? Yeah. That's a different. I want to tell. This one is a prefab. This is a game object.
So this is two branch.
You can find here this one. See? Okay. Okay, two different objects. Okay.
就是我要把它设成可以抓的东西。
哦。
不知道这个。
你要把它设定成可以抓的。
这个是一般的游戏。
对，然后抓下去。对，
Okay. There are two kind of objects here. Okay. I would like to keep this one for reference. Okay. Reference to show what is the difference. Okay. And this one doesn't have any script. This is just a key. This one is a cube plus have the grabbable script, grabbable interactable we have. This two is very important. Okay. Can say? Yeah. And this one, box collider has box collider. If you expand it and collision, see that this is collision. Collision is what? Collision detection. We can make a collision object. Okay. And this one, okay, add the rigid body. If you want to add it here, you can add it here. See, rigid. You can add the rigid body. Okay. Or you want to add the grabbable object. You can add a grabbable. Okay. And then grabbable interactable. You can add it to here. Grabbable here. Interactable. You can add. But I don't want to add right now because I want to compile them and show you what is the difference. Okay. Then now this object already have the two script. One script is for this object you can see grabbable. This one is a grabbable. This one is a grabbable interactable. We have to tell what is this rigid body because grab means where to grab. Grab from here or here. To grab this one, it should be rigid body. If this is air, can I grab it? I can't grab the air. Okay, but this is I can grab because this is a rigid body. Rigid body.
是因为要把它弄成一个实体啊，你才可以用它。
Okay, if you have a rigid body, then I can touch here by finger, by palm, okay, by two fingers, okay, or two hands. Okay. 可以吗 Hello? Okay. We can add that later, don't worry. But I want to keep this one to show the difference, okay? Here, but the important thing is this grabbable interactable. You need to define this rigid body. This rigid body you need to drop here. Second. This rigid body drag into here. Okay, and then this one is more about the pointable element. What is pointable? Way of we are going to point this one from one hand, okay, one graph transformer or whatever transformer, two graph transformer we need to do. Therefore, first we can drag this one into here, pinnable, okay. Sorry, pointable element. Pointable element is this one, grabbable script. These two things add, okay. Then we have to add the one more new one, okay, one grab free transformer. Okay, one grab free transformer. That means this script I can drop into the one grab transformer. Okay, now see, save. Let's try to build and run. Hey,
你要再加一个，然后再加一个，就直接再加一个，然后是 one grade。
One grade three transformer。然后把它拖到那个 transformer。上面那个，对，选项呢？
Now, guys, this we call pass through. Hello, can you see? Can you see my monitor inside? This is a empty black because I need to define my flow again.
Sorry.
And then I would like to give a little bit more wide area. Maybe then everyone can use this area. Okay, this is old one, okay. This is old sample. Okay, not this one. That's the new one. This one, build setting, because I keep this one all data, that's why. Remove this one more time, add the same name. Okay. Okay, that's why he keep the same name, old name. Okay. But I better to save the scene and re-add this one. Or you can do save as new scene, okay. Then I would like to remove this one and add one more time. Then I'm pretty sure this is the scene I add, okay. And build and run. Yeah, you can put the name. This hand is pretty ugly. Can you see my hand? Now, yeah, now, take a scene there. Okay, see here. Yeah, here. Okay. Okay. This is the one I can grab. This one cannot grab. Okay. 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 This one we call halfer. Okay, when we close to the surface, it change the color. That one we call it a visualizing.
靠近的时候会变
靠近物体会变
抓的时候会变。
Like a leap motion. Leap motion also when we close the hand, we have a half a parameter, grab parameter, release parameter. You can set. Okay, this one see. Okay, grab is green. Okay, close is blue. But this one is active as a grabbable object. We can change the color. Okay, wait a moment. I'm gonna change this one. If it's all white. Okay, now you saw that. Okay, difference we notice in here. Okay, this one. Okay, because the rigid body, important thing is a grabbable. Okay, interactable, and grabbable script, rigid body, and one grab transformer. Okay, Karina. Okay, Yoma. Okay, and then inside here, I want to say oculus here, OVR controllers inside. You have some information here. See that this is here. This is grabbable, interactable. You have a sorry, not here. I'm sorry. Okay, don't go there. The inside my script, I have one more part. This one is for the collision, okay? And this one inside I have this visualizer. This is a half a color. This one is a select color. This normal color, but normal color it doesn't show the red. Because why? I didn't drag and drop into this one. I didn't define what is this object. Okay. If I put here and save. Okay. Let's see one more time. Okay. One more time. Build and run. This normal color you can add a texture too. If you want to add it, you can texture. You know, normal color you have a different texture. If you close, he change the texture. When you hold, it change the texture. Not only color, then we can assign the texture map. Hey ma, hello. Hi guys. Can you see my view? See, this is a normal color. Red. But this one we didn't set anything. Then we can see that half it become a blue. Hold it become a green. Okay. Release is red. Okay, ma. Normal color. Half. Early it was a blue. No blue, white. Okay, ma. Okay. Right. Then I can push this oculus button. I can click here. See. Now. Same thing I put. Go to the Unity. Okay, here. And this one, you can see this here have physics, gravity. If I enable the gravity, what will happen? Because this room environment, desk, this is a desk. Inside the desk is a surface. It has a box collider. Okay. Then this interactable also rigid body. And he is kind of a interacting object, and also we activate kinematics.
像第11笔那样。
Kinematics, what is the meaning? Kinematics in Chinese.
第11笔。
动力，
And then also activate the gravity. Okay, ma. And then save. Now, okay. Build and run. Because I'm using same name, that's why I remove and add many times. Okay. Otherwise, he go to same name in a Quester doesn't know it's a different file. He loaded the previous file. Don't replace. That's the problem. If I rename, it will take more time to build. Okay, now see, that is it. Okay. Now like this, okay. Okay. Run this. Okay. Okay. Then why? It should drop, but I don't know. I know. I made a mistake. I made a big mistake. Here, I just simply use this one is a one graph free transformer script, okay? This one I can remove component, add one, this one graph physics join transform. Okay. And this one I need to grab into here, okay? And then save. Then this one means it's enable the physics. But early I enable the gravity here, but my grabbable doesn't have physics. Okay, that means my touch don't have force. Okay, then this transformer now have a force. Okay. 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 Can you see? Can you see? Connecting.
Yeah. Wait for connection.
No.
iOS is very terrible. Security. Compiling need to face a lot of problems. Like iOS AR toolkit. Yeah.
iOS 就是在 Mac 上面开发以后比较麻烦。
Can you see?
可以。
Casting. 没有吗？
没有，刚才也是有的。
有。Now this one physics. This one drop here because this one is okay because this all have the rigid body. Okay. That's why he polite. See that? Okay. But this one don't move because he is not a kinematic. Okay. But if you put like this, he will drop. Because the flow don't have the kinematic, the collision. There's a drop. We need to find somewhere. Okay. 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 Then the last. How? Okay, I'm going to add a mesh because they need a new thing. Because this is past thing. Last time also we did the same thing. Okay, guys, because you need to add some mesh into here. Now, and I'm going to find some. Okay. See here. Okay. Now I'm going to add this one. Okay. This guy. Because the normal cube. Okay. This one rigid body. Okay. Rigid body. Yeah. Okay. If you would like to add this. There's a rigid body already inside, okay, or maybe mesh collider already have a box collider, okay, and if you need to add the component here, grabbable, so grabbable, okay, grabbable you need to add it, and then need to add the grabbable interactor, grab interactor bulb, okay. Okay. Grab interactable, you can find like a pointable, this one, okay. This is a rigid body, then this is a rigid body here, okay. And this one we can drag and drop into there, here, okay. Okay, and then this is a grab one, you need to drop into here. But how we are going to transform this one? You need to add the one more object here. Do you want to add a physics or just rotate? Just rotate transform, okay? Rotate transform, this is up, like a rotate around the Y, okay? If you want to make the constraint, you can set up the constraint later, okay? But I'm not going to do this one. I will make a door and that one, okay? Now this object we can see whether we can use it or not. And this, if you save this, okay. By the way, it doesn't have this one. See, visual, interactable, this one, if you want to, you can add it. Okay, without this, we can add it too. If you want to need it, you can add it by yourself. But wait a moment. I can go back to here. Remove this one. Okay. Now I needed the one by one. Don't forget. Okay, no time for next time. If you rename is okay. If you rename, take time to. Because he already have same name file. Okay. 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 This is already have this. Okay. This don't have because why? We don't have that component we didn't add visual, but still grabbable. Where is left somewhere? Okay. You okay, you understand, okay? That means any mesh you can add, but the basic component you should have inside, you should have a rigid body, grabbable script, grab interactables, and then way you are going to transform, okay? Then I didn't describe this one, okay? This one I made a mistake. I didn't drag and drop this one to here. Okay, that's why I was not able to rotate. Okay. It's only apply the grab and then it's a drop. Okay? And the save. So you're
为什么
asking.
要按第二个？为什么要按第二个打开呀？
为什么说？
没有啊，它不是也会上去了？
Okay, you show it.
在
There. Now you see that can drag. Okay, this is like last time. Okay? This is what I mean. Okay, it cannot grab right now. See, it's only for rotate over X. Right, huh? Okay, this one can put here because you have collision. Okay, now now can it no. Okay.
抓吗？
对，抓，那个被碰撞出去，
Okay,
可以被撞出去，只是你抓的时候呢，只能旋转。
because this one is still have gravity, and also this one have if I have active kinematics, then he both have the after it how to say feedback force. Okay, if you want to active,
反作用力。
we can make a feedback. Okay. Right, now I'm going to add a mesh. This one, second. Okay, this is marker. Okay, this is marker inside. Okay, this marker, where's marker? This is here. Okay. See, okay, make sure. Okay, then I'm going to, because this one already set up prefab. Have a rigid body. Okay, rigid body has a grabbable has a, and also the pointable wrapper. Okay, this is something missing. Okay, what are they? We need to add here because this is a mesh. Then we need to mesh collider. Okay, it's a mesh collider, physical mesh collider. Okay, and we are missing one more script. That one is a grabbable. Okay, grabbable interactable or hand grab interact. Okay, let's make this object hand grab from hand. Grab from hand. Okay. So come on. Here you have a OVR, and this one we already make inside here. See, controller grabbable interactor. Okay, we already done. Now we need the what? For hand also we can find a similar thing in here runtime. Runtime prefab, but we can find a hand grab. Okay. Okay, now this one. Okay, because earlier I used this one controller grabber, controller grab interactor. This is a hand grab interactor. This one need to put in this one. Okay. Similarly, you need to put this one into here. Okay, and this one we should rename here what? Left. Okay, and this one we need to add the right. Okay, right. But this one, which hand? We don't know which hand. This is the left hand. Okay. This is a hand grab interactor. This one is the right. Okay. Now we can grab this one. Our hand can as a grab. Okay. But this one, you can see that this one is just a grab interactor from the how to say this guy. Okay. But I want to use this marker different grab. Okay. I'm going to use this one for here. Hand grab interactable. Earlier you had a grab, grab interactable. This one. This is the rigid body. And what kind of elements you want to going to use this one? This one. See? This one we can drag and drop into. Okay? That means this grab, add to here. Okay, that means this object can touch, but the mesh collider important thing is you need to make a convex. You can import any OBJ object, sorry, FDX file into here, but remember you should have to have a grabbable mesh collider. Last time your file you didn't click this one convex. Convex, and also you didn't have the mesh collider. Yeah, that's the main problem. Okay, now I have a grab, but I need to find the free transform. Okay, add one more component and make a one grab free transformer. Okay, one grab free transformer. I can use this one. I can drop into here. Here, drag and drop into here. Let's see, same. Okay, I'm going to have this one now builds up here. This one, did I say it? Just wait. Then I think this one will be have. Sometimes if I see other side is black, you think it you lost the tracking. No, it's still there. Yeah. I think it's pretty good, but the only problem is need to be in the same network. That was the main problem. I know. Okay. Okay. Hello. Can you see? Now I have hand. Okay, because this cannot touch by hand, because this is only for controller. This no hand controller. Hello. Hi. Can you see? Cannot grab.
Yeah.
This is not a hand grab. This is a controller grab. But this one can grab. See?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But I don't put the gravity. If I put the gravity, it will drop to here. Okay, then this one can drink the water. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but empty. This is a problem, see?
You
This hand is going inside.
can move the center.
Yeah, we can change this one for recording hand gesture. That is our next lesson. We can record in here oculus, interaction, hand grab pose recorder. Okay, hand grab pose recorder. We can make a specific pose like this, or like this, holding like this, or I also like this. Then I don't need to always go inside or something, because normally we have the way to touch this object, maybe like holding something or holding like this. Okay, now you can see this is pinnable. Always 1 point, 1 point. Okay, with 1 point. Then gesture based interaction means you need to record the gesture. Okay. Sorry, you cannot see. You didn't see. They didn't see it. They didn't see. They didn't see. Okay. Understood.
So how to
Recording, we want to go back again.
就是说他怎么录
Yeah, we have to go not in this mode. We have to go to the like this, and then we need to go to here. Here interact with us. Grab this one, and then we need to wrap this object into rigid body, and then we need to add this one. Then need to go to the record mode. Okay. No. Yeah, this one we continue next week, because if I start, I need to go to more further. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And then next, the final one is open the door. That was the we were talking today one. Only very quickly I can do for this. Okay. This one, we don't need this wrap interactables. I'm going to remove this one, okay? I'm going to remove this one. Then I want to add the hand, okay? Remove component, and then I can add the in the here is a hand grab interactable by hand. Then this one is already connected because we add inside. Then we already put this one. See, okay. If you are not sure, see, because I add a component, then he keep the link. Okay. In case if I need it, you can this one drag and drop into here, and then you can go to this grabbable script. You need to grab into here. Okay. But fortunately, you already have it, no problem. Okay, then other point is this one. Okay. So wait a moment. I'm going to change this one. I'm going to make it like a door. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, I'm going to make it like a door.
从中间旋转。
Yeah, this object I need to rotate, but the point is I can add inside here game object, empty game object. Okay, I can make like a hinge. Okay, this one, because normally hinge means connecting the hinge. Okay, and this one goes down. Okay, here you can put this is a hinge in here. Okay. Okay, we can put here, and then what I am going to do is this one inside. I'm going to add this one. I'm going to change. Okay, delete. Remove this component. I'm going to add a new component now. One grab rotate transformer. Then here has the pivot transform. Pivot transform. This pivot we can drop into here. That means it's going to rotate over here. And then up vector, this up vector, rotate over up vector. Constraint we can make the minimum value is a minus 60. Okay, you can put whatever you want. Okay, then constraint maximum value may be 60. Okay, and this one we need to drop into here. Okay, this one we newly made this one. We need to go up. We have to drop into here. Okay, then we need to save this one. Okay, then last time we have box. Okay, open the box. That means axis not the up. Need to the x. Okay, then rotate over x. Then we can define the maximum value 160 or 180. That means we can open to this side, like a box. Then half, if you put the close the hand to here, then it will change the color. This kind of information need for affordance.
像定义一个坐标，就让它可以它那个走向。
它是在哪里？它是哪个线？
哦，对，目标你就按那个 M
，Okay, this can touch. Okay, can you see?
Yes.
Okay, then door close and open. Okay. Okay, this is the key here. You know, if I touch here, door can open, but physically you can't do that. You need to touch from here. Okay. Because this doesn't have physics. Even this one. This have physics. Okay. Only hinge is here. Guys, that means you need to have one more hinge here. Okay. Otherwise, it's fallen down. Okay. Because this one have physics. Now can't do that because see now physics activate. Okay. Okay. Stop it. Now, next week, please bring our original idea, Sumiti, okay? This one, please bring your model. Why? Why? Oh, this one. Okay. You need to bring if you have a specific Sumiki, okay, you can design. That means each simple object have the collision and the color, different color, and then you can arrange. We call block arranging game, okay, Sumiki. But I don't see the better one. Why today is a little bit very different things? For kids game like this, they you need to make a model like this. FDX, FDX, FDX. Okay. Then you can sell. If you make it, okay. Then you can make your specific model next week to bring. We load one mesh, okay. And then this one you can make if you have a bed, it should be also mesh. Okay. If you don't have this kind of blocks inside put the container, then you can simply design the model only. For picture, we load in the side. Then people need to see the picture. Same way need to arrange. This picture, sample picture, we can load in the side. Then the models randomly drop. Okay. Then looking at the picture, you need to arrange the game. Okay. Okay. Don't need too many. Okay. At least start from one by one. Like first is like a few game, few. The next layer you can duplicate it. After finish, then go to the next layer, and then after finish, then you can go to another layer. Like a 5, 10, 15, we can multiply into next layers. Okay? We can next week start a simple one. Cube is okay. Then you can, if you are not pretty good at modeling, you can use the cube arranging or cup arranging. stacked up. Okay. Then we have already marked inside. Then we have the 10 marks picture will give how to arrange it. Then, okay.